Evening.
Firstly, I would like to thank this great sir. God made this wonderful opportunity. And over to then friends, I am Maya of Mother's I am here for the self-topic. So, I I want to say family. My family is joint family. There are six members in my family. My father is my grandmother's name is Mrs. Lakshmi Sharma. My grandmother's name is Mr. Raj Sharma. My sister's name is Miss Tash Sharma. I love my family so much. My father's running a driving school. My mother's running a beauty parlor. At the end, I would like to say that we must